Yeah, look, this area has become very dangerous, nighttime, and the break-in has been very bad. As I mentioned, yes, since January this year, I have had about 5 break-ins, major break-ins, which they really damaged my place. Also, they have stolen a lot of expensive equipments that I have in this place. You know, dental equipments are not cheap, they are quite expensive. And they have come mostly during load sheddings. I have had to resort to putting backup batteries in order for my alarm to work, because they would come when there is load shedding and the alarm is even not working. So they have come through the roof, they have come through the front door, they have cut shutter door, they have cut my burglar bars, they have broken the doors, they have come through the windows on the side. Though I have electric fencing and I have alarm fully equipped, still they come through, and they have stolen expensive stuff. My stuff are not cheap, dental equipments are not cheap. You know, the last 2 times, the one time over 100,000 worth of equipments they stole, equipments that they cannot use.
Oh, that's a very big challenge that we have. It's not only a Buffalo City phenomenon. If you watch the news, read the papers, listen to this is a challenge across the country where you see vandalism of government property, in particular cable theft. And we have our fair share as the city of this. My sense is that as much as we are installing cameras throughout the city, we are rolling out cameras throughout the city, but I think the best solution is to have the scrap metal business banned. For me, that will be the best option for all of us. Because as long as you have a willing buyer of these cables, and as well as copper wires, you will continue to have this challenge. And the best approach for me is the scrapping of the scrap metal business, which will help all of us as a country, not as the city. I think that's what we need to undertake. Have that discussion, deal with this thing. The next question, Stan?
Yeah, no, I think the one of the
Wi-Fi.
open mini station substation will take it, Dlamini.
Yeah.
Yes.